Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful caramel net. First, let's get organized. You'll need granulated sugar, a little water, and optionally some glucose syrup to help prevent crystallization. Prepare your work surface by laying out parchment paper or a silicone mat. Also, have a whisk or a fork ready for the spinning process. Safety is key when working with hot sugar, so ensure your kitchen is clear and tidy. Now let's cook the caramel. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine about 100 grams of granulated sugar with 30 milliliters of water. If you're using glucose syrup, add it now. Stir gently over low heat until all the sugar dissolves. Then, increase the heat to medium and cook without stirring. Use a wet pastry brush to clean down the sides of the pan, preventing any sugar crystals from forming. Watch carefully as it turns a beautiful golden amber color. Once your caramel reaches approximately 160 degrees Celsius, or a light amber color, remove it from the heat. Let it cool for about 30 seconds. This allows it to thicken slightly, making it easier to work with. Dip a whisk or a fork into the warm caramel. Then, with a quick flick of your wrist, drizzle thin, continuous strands back and forth over your prepared non-stick surface or a lightly oiled rolling pin to create the delicate net. After forming your beautiful caramel net, allow it to cool completely on the non-stick surface for several minutes until it hardens. Once firm, carefully lift the delicate structure. Remember, caramel is very susceptible to humidity. For best results, use your caramel net immediately. If you must store it, place it in an airtight container in a cool, dry environment to maintain its crispness and prevent it from becoming sticky.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.